Hello everyone, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well, so welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And this is just a quick video about a Chrome extension that I liked a lot, and this extension converts your chat with ChatGPT to a PDF file that you can save on your computer. So go here. This is our extension Chat-GPT PDF. I'm gonna put a link to this extension in the description down below, so just click here, add to Chrome. Since I have it, I have this button saying remove from Chrome. In your case, it's gonna be add to Chrome, and just click add, and a dialog box gonna pop here, and it's gonna ask you to confirm if you are sure that you want to add this extension. So click add extension in that dialog box, and the extension will be added to your browser. So after adding the extension, go to your chat that you want to save. I created a chat with ChatGPT about Java, and I wanted ChatGPT to give me some code so that I see when I save the file if the code will save its format, if everything will save its format, because sometimes ChatGPT saves only the text in a good format, but when it comes to the code, it'll just mess everything. So I created a lot of code examples here. The chat is very long. As you see here, we have the regenerate response, which is the ChatGPT button, and we have download PDF, and this belongs to this extension. Okay, so just click download PDF, and the PDF gonna be downloaded here, so just click to open it. So let's just see. First, this is a selectable text. Okay, I've used a lot of ChatGPT saving to PDF extensions, and they save it as a picture, which is something that I don't like. I like to save it as a selectable text like this one, so that I can copy and paste from it, just like I can do in the chat. Another thing is that the question and the answer are in different colors, which is something that I like. So this is part 1. Let's say it's question 1. So what's Java? And this is part 2, how to learn Java. Give me a roadmap. There is the ChatGPT stuff here, and it's very, very well formatted. I liked it a lot. We have here the code. We see that the code lost its colors. Here in ChatGPT, it's very colorful, while in the file, it's not. Even though it lost its colors, it didn't lose its format. It's just saving its format, which is very nice. The format of the code, the indentation, and everything related to the code stays in place, you see here, but the colors of the code are lost. Another thing is the code is still selectable. It's not an image. You can copy it here and paste it in your IDE. Okay, so this is about the code. The text also is very well formatted and very well written. Our file, it's 11 pages, a very long chat, and you can save it in your computer. As you can see here, it's already saved here, called ChatGPT. I saved it twice, so that's cool. I hope that you liked it, because I've been looking for this kind of extension for about 2 months, and I found a lot of extensions that didn't work. They just save it as an image, or they just miss everything and merge your questions with ChatGPT answers, and it's gonna be very not well formatted. So that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And if you have any other questions or suggestions, please comment them down below in the comments section, and stay safe.